Finding the best security camera system for remote viewing can be a lifesaver if you want to monitor your home or business premises via phone, or computer, or laptop to rest assured that your most valued property is safe. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hiseeu All-in-One 1TB. The Hiseeu All-in-One 1TB offers great picture clarity along with superb resolution for your surveillance needs. With an easy-to-operate system, users are provided with intuitive software controls to manage their cameras from anywhere in the world. Wireless security cameras feature optional VGA output for external monitoring purposes or to connect to a larger monitor for larger viewing areas. The system allows for automatic viewing of multiple cameras on one screen for greater productivity. The remote viewing feature allows you to view a certain area without physically moving your camera from that location. Another added feature is the ability to send email to any viewing address via the internet. This feature is useful when there is a need to send an email to multiple parties within the same system without needing to send it through a fax machine or cell phone. Number 2. XVIM 8CH 1080p. The XVIM 8CH 1080p is able to display full HD video with its built-in, super clear display monitor. It is the ultimate in home security camera technology and has the ability to transmit directly to your television or recording device with the push of a button. This security camera is designed for indoor and outdoor use. The camera system is housed in a sturdy, weatherproof steel housing with durable nylon cable connectors. The camera is controlled by a remote control that is simple to operate and can be stored in your personal data storage device such as your laptop. Simply plug the receiver into a suitable receiver port on your computer and you can instantly begin recording. Once you have finished recording, simply save the file to your hard drive and plug the receiver back into view the camera live. If there is a power outage, you will not be hampered in your ability to view the camera because the built-in rechargeable battery will keep the camera running for an entire day. Number 3. ZOSI 8CH 1080p. The ZOSI 8CH 1080p offers many different features for those interested in an easy-to-install security camera that can provide multiple uses while not disrupting a person's normal life. The system can be used as a remote or view camera. For instance, the ZOSI 8CH can be used as a remote view camera so that it can be accessed from a computer, laptop, or mobile device and used to monitor areas of a home or business when the owner is not present. In addition to being used as a remote camera, the ZOSI 8CH also offers a digital remote control capability so that it can be used on a number of different consumer electronic devices. For example, the ZOSI 8CH can be used on a DVD player, computer, cell phone, game console, video game system, and a host of other consumer electronics. Additionally, if one does not want to use the ZOSI 8CH as a remote viewing camera, it can also be used as a digital zoom camera. Number 4. ZOSI 1080p H.265+. ZOSI 1080p H.265+ home security camera system are equipped with state-of-the-art technology that gives you the most clear and vivid picture quality of your security camera system. With a fully digital control system, you get the highest resolution of your camera system through the best low-light recording capability and super contrast modes. It also has 2 ways to connect: direct video capture or HDMI CEC connection for power use. The H.265+ has a built-in motion detection for enhanced security and convenience. This camera has 2 modes of viewing, the first one being matrix viewing where you can see the images as they are captured by the camera on its internal memory. The second mode of viewing is called ZOSI frontcam mode where you will see the images as they are being transmitted from the camera's internal memory to remote for viewing. ZOSI also provides you with remote viewing, which is a great option if you are installing camera to a new system. Number 5. Amcrest ProHD 1080p. The new Amcrest ProHD 1080p Wi-Fi camera is designed to deliver optimal performance while providing a high level of flexibility. This indoor/outdoor model gives you the ability to install and use your own brand of remote viewing system for your convenience. A fully assembled remote viewing system with interchangeable lens and mounting bracket that makes it easy to adjust for different room areas and any size area of surveillance. Additional options include multiple color programming, white balance control, and automatic night vision. With these benefits and the advanced technologies inside, the Amcrest ProHD 1080p Wi-Fi camera has set the bar high for indoor/outdoor surveillance. Number 6. Kittyhok 3MP. The Kittyhok 3MP wireless security camera system is a perfect solution for those of us looking to keep our homes and valuable business assets secure from unwanted intruders or, worse still, undesirable surveillance. It's all about being able to view your camera recordings from a distance. Because the camera is wireless, you never need to worry about tripping over wires that may get in the way of your surveillance or recording efforts. Viewing your camera recordings from a distance using a remote device allows you to see footage from several angles in any given location. Also, using the internet to control your camera system gives you the ability to view footage from multiple computers in the same room. By viewing recorded footage on a remote device, you can instantly identify the subjects in a live motion video recording, giving you the peace of mind necessary to apprehend wrongdoers. Number 7. Hiseeu All-in-One 3TB. The Hiseeu All-in-One 3TB camera system is equipped with two DVRs that allow you to record what is going on in your home or business when you are not there. With remote viewing, you will also have access to live view and recorded images. You can monitor the status of your cameras via wireless remote viewing from anywhere, which makes this system even more convenient. When it comes to viewing, you can choose between two modes, wired or wireless remote viewing. In wired mode, your cameras are connected to a cable that sends the video to a television set or VCR. Your Hiseeu All-in-One with 12 LCD monitor is capable of receiving signals through a digital signal, so you can view the cameras through your TV. On the other hand, wireless mode will let you view the cameras through a digital network connection. It uses the latest WAN technology to send the video signal from the camera directly to a TV set.